Welcome back to Motor Empire 007. Today, we are exploring the all-new 2026 Suzuki Thunder 125, a bike that perfectly blends style, performance, and innovation into a single compact powerhouse. Right from the moment you lay eyes on it, the Thunder 125 grabs your attention with its aggressive lines, sleek bodywork, and that unmistakable Suzuki signature flair. Whether you're a daily commuter looking for a reliable partner or a city rider craving a mix of agility and excitement, this bike promises to deliver on all fronts. The first thing that hits you about the Thunder 125 is its presence. Standing on a glossy platform under soft, ambient lighting, the bike's metallic and dual-tone finishes catch the eye from every angle. The deep metallic blue, the bold matte black, and the dynamic red-silver options each tell a story of style and individuality. It's as if the bike itself is inviting you to hop on and feel the thrill. The attention to detail is evident in every curve, every line, and every accent. Suzuki has ensured that this machine doesn't just ride, it speaks, it commands, and it captivates. Looking closer, the Thunder 125's frame is a masterpiece of engineering. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's designed to handle the rigors of city streets while also giving you that confidence to push the limits when you want. The ergonomics are carefully tuned so that every rider, regardless of height or experience, finds the seating position natural and comfortable. The handlebars are positioned for maximum control without sacrificing style, and the foot pegs offer just the right balance of agility and comfort. It's not just a bike, it's a machine built to make you feel at one with the road. Performance is where the Thunder 125 truly shines. Powered by a refined 124.4cc engine, it offers a smooth and responsive ride, perfect for urban commutes as well as weekend adventures. The engine delivers enough punch to leave traffic behind effortlessly while maintaining fuel efficiency that keeps your daily running costs low. Suzuki's engineering ensures that acceleration is linear and predictable, which means whether you're darting through city streets or cruising down a highway, you always feel in control. And with the upgraded suspension system, every bump and curve is absorbed seamlessly, making each ride smooth and enjoyable. But it's not just about speed, it's about confidence and safety too. The 2026 Thunder 125 comes equipped with a modern braking system that includes disc brakes and advanced ABS technology. This means that whether you encounter sudden obstacles, wet surfaces, or unexpected traffic situations, the bike responds instantly to give you maximum control. The tires are specially designed for grip and durability, ensuring that cornering is precise and stable. You feel secure not just because the bike is fast, but because every component has been crafted to give you peace of mind. A closer look at the bike reveals a futuristic dashboard that combines practicality with tech-savvy appeal. The digital instrument cluster is easy to read at a glance, showing speed, fuel levels, and other essential information in a clean, organized format. The backlight adjusts automatically depending on ambient light, and every notification is crisp and clear. It's the kind of dashboard that makes you feel like you're riding a next-generation machine, even in the heart of a bustling city. And with integrated LED lighting at the front and rear, visibility is enhanced not just for you, but for everyone around, adding another layer of safety. The aesthetic appeal of the Thunder 125 cannot be overstated. The dual-tone options like the black with neon green accents or the white with sleek racing stripes are designed to stand out wherever you ride. In a luxury showroom under clean white lighting, the bike looks like it's ready for an expo display, and on the street it turns heads effortlessly. The chrome finishes, sharp edges, and aerodynamic contours aren't just for show. They serve a functional purpose, reducing drag and improving performance while maintaining that aggressive, modern look. Suzuki has truly managed to combine form and function in a way that few bikes in this segment can. Comfort for the rider extends beyond just seating and ergonomics. The Thunder 125's fuel tank is sculpted for a firm grip with your knees, giving better control during sharp turns and high-speed rides. The seat is padded to perfection, ensuring that even on longer journeys you don't feel fatigued. The overall balance of the bike, combined with lightweight handling, ensures that every twist of the throttle translates into a thrilling yet controlled experience. You don't just ride the Thunder 125, you feel it, you connect with it, and it becomes an extension of your body on the road. Another key feature that sets this bike apart is its versatility. While it's perfect for city commutes, the Thunder 125 is equally capable on winding roads, small highways, and suburban paths. The engine provides enough torque for quick overtakes, while the frame and suspension allow for agile maneuvering around corners and obstacles. The bike is also low maintenance and economical, making it an ideal choice for riders who want performance without the hassle of constant upkeep. Every aspect of the bike has been designed with the modern rider in mind, someone who wants style, speed, reliability, and fun all wrapped up into one compact package. The Suzuki Thunder 125 also comes with thoughtful features for modern riders. LED indicators, a fully digital cluster, and a sharp headlamp ensure visibility at all times. The bike's design also incorporates aerodynamic efficiency, which not only enhances speed, but also contributes to better fuel consumption. Whether it's the urban jungle or a weekend escape, the Thunder 125 adapts effortlessly to the environment, giving you a smooth and confident ride every time. For those who care about personalization, Suzuki offers a variety of colors and finishes that allow riders to express their personality. From pearl white to aggressive orange-black combos, every color scheme has been chosen to reflect both style and sophistication. The neon accents and chrome finishes are particularly striking under showroom lighting, making the bike look like a futuristic work of art ready to be displayed. It's not just about riding, it's about making a statement. And speaking of making a statement, the sound of the Thunder 125 is as impressive as its look. The exhaust note is crisp and refined, giving just the right amount of growl without being overwhelming. It's a sound that announces your presence on the road, blending power and finesse in a way that's unmistakably Suzuki. Riding this bike is not just a visual experience, it's auditory, tactile, and emotional. Every twist, turn, and acceleration delivers excitement and satisfaction. Ultimately, the 2026 Suzuki Thunder 125 is more than just a commuter bike. It's a statement of style, a testament to engineering, and a promise of fun. It combines performance, safety, aesthetics, and comfort in a way that makes every ride a memorable experience. So, whether you're a first-time rider looking for a reliable and stylish companion, or an experienced rider seeking a lightweight, agile bike for daily thrills, the Suzuki Thunder 125 is here to redefine what you expect from a 125cc machine. With its futuristic design, advanced technology, and exhilarating performance, it's not just a bike, it's a lifestyle. The streets are calling, the lights are bright, and the Suzuki Thunder 125 is ready to take you on a journey where every ride is a thrill, every corner is a challenge, and every moment on the road is unforgettable.